All right, let's see. Let me. Uh, Actually, let me see. I mean, yeah. Store ID. We'll just leave it at that. Store ID. Yeah, I'll just leave it at that. I kind of want to take a look at some of these options. I don't think I need that. Average line. Okay. Okay. I think that's good. And let's do the trend line. Store ID. Store ID. Okay. Let's see. So region 2 is going up. All right. I think what I need to do is kind of want to make sure that I'm getting everything I want from this before I move on. I just like click. I want to go through everything. See if okay, what is this doing? Okay. I don't think I want that. I'll just leave it at that. Trend line. No, we don't need that. I think that's good. Okay, so I think now what I need is the other sheet. Let's do, I think I need to do add a connection and cities. Boom, okay. Let's see, how do I, oh, is this how it's supposed, add a connection at, uh, let me actually find, because making sure I'm doing this right. Looking through my files over here, trying to locate them where I left the other sheet at. This gave me a different location. Oh, okay. It's not showing me all the files. Okay. Oh, they're. Hmm. Okay. I am. Why is it? I think that might be a problem because this one is CSV file. Hmm. I'll figure it out. Oh, here we go. Let's see. Let's do it. Hmm. That's interesting. Let me think about this. So, I think it has to do something with the files being different format, but I don't think that should be a problem. I can try to change the format. That won't be really. Should let me try that. Let me. Where's this file at? I'm gonna open up. I'm gonna save it as a different format. So I just changed it. Let's see if it'll work. Okay, I don't need two, I just need one. What are you doing to me? I could probably just stop the video and try to figure out a way easier, but I'm try not to break it up. I want to solve it on this one. What I'm doing. That's not it. That's not it. There we go. Okay. I guess I'll trying to look it up on the monitor what is going on with this. Let me remove that. Edit connection. Maybe this will work. Man, it's not working. Why is it not working? There's maybe something going on with actual data. I might have to actually maybe look at the. I mean, it doesn't look like there's a problem. It looks like it's just raw data on this Excel. It doesn't look like it needs to be anything needs to be edited. There's no formatting or anything. It's just in there. So I'm not sure we'll do by city. And then we'll do state, I think. What? Can I not? Let me see what's going on over here. Add more fields. City. City. Okay, and then I need to convert to union. Let me see what we got. That's not what I need. That is not what I need. Can't remember how. Oh man, it's been. That's not. Convert to. No. Let's see. Let me hide you in there. Join. Okay, let's try this. Let's take a look at this. So, okay. And then let me try this. We'll remove this. We'll remove that. We'll do open. Oh, now it's gone. Okay, let's just try. Okay, that actually worked right here. I think that's what I needed. That's why, but I need to edit. I think what I need to do, okay, and then I need to join by state on both, I think. And then, boom, that's what exactly I needed. All right, I think I'll leave this video at this. I think I spent enough time wandering around aimlessly. Just be stubborn and just solve it. But, all right, I'll end it here.